In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can import data from a CSV file into your Postgres database. So you have a sample data set of some ID, country, and the date they were modified. So let's head over to pgAdmin. So the first thing that you want to do is create a table to hold your data in your Postgres database. Ensure you have all the columns that you're importing from your CSV file. Then you're going to, let's refresh tables. Let's expand, right click on the table, then select import/export data. Ensure that the import tab is selected, then browse for your file. So this is the .csv, and then you want to change your format to CSV. Now on the options tab, if your CSV file isn't delimited by a tab, you can make the change here. So here I'm just going to select OK to continue. So my CSV file is delimited by a comma. So I'm going to select OK to continue to import my data. Now let's execute the query to check if my data has been imported successfully. Let's execute, and here's my sample data set. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.